Wix versus Shopify versus Squarespace. So hello everyone, so in today's video, I will show you guys a comparison between Wix, Shopify, and Squarespace and which one is the best for you. So without further ado, let us begin. If you're comparing Squarespace, Shopify, and Wix, Wix often stands out for its flexibility and free plans, while Shopify excels in e-commerce functionalities and Squarespace appeals to businesses focused on aesthetics. The three masters support a unique set of businesses with templates, apps, extensions, and add-ons. Shopify braces e-commerce business of any size, Wix supports small businesses, and Squarespace supports businesses that require websites where aesthetics and design are key. So various website templates, features, and functionalities help them support multiple types of businesses. So yeah, let's start with the comparison. So when we talk of Shopify, Squarespace, and Wix, we end with a set of features and functionalities based on which these comparisons take their final shape and differentiate the three services, approving one as an e-commerce giant and others as cutting-edge website builders with a set of add-ons, apps, and extensions. For those exploring Shopify versus Wix versus Squarespace, having an understanding of each platform's customization, e-commerce options, and ease of use can help you find the best choice for your specific business needs. So let us first start with the plans and offers. So Shopify leverages users with starters, basics, advanced, plus, and enterprise plans that require different subscriptions. Shopify also offers a free trial offer where you can register through your email and use your Shopify at no cost for 3 days without any credit card. You can also use Shopify for a meager amount for the first month. However, it does not offer a completely free website builder option, which Wix offers. So Wix offers free website building features with basic options that suit small businesses. Apart from this, it provides many other plans like Combo, Unlimited, Basic Business, VIP, and others. However, the significance lies in its free website builder option, which makes it suitable for small businesses. So when comparing Wix, Squarespace, and Shopify, keep in mind that Wix is more budget-friendly for startups, whereas Shopify is more suited for those looking to scale their e-commerce ventures, and Squarespace is a good choice for small and medium-sized businesses and online stores with a limited number of products. So Squarespace offers personal, business, essential, and advanced commerce plans. They all come at a cost. While Squarespace does not offer free website builder options, it provides a 14-day free trial. We can register with our email address and use it for 14 days for free. So what do Wix and Squarespace offer? So while Wix offers free website builder options that suit small businesses the most, Squarespace offers stunning responsive website templates that suit businesses like restaurants, photography, nonprofit companies, and portfolio types of requirements where aesthetics and designs are the key. Both Wix and Squarespace are good options when we talk about blogging. So what is the Shopify Basic Plan and why should we know? So the Shopify Basic Plan costs around $39 per month and includes features like an online store, competitive transaction fee, blogging option, SSL certificate, reports, and international commerce options. So Shopify always comes at a particular cost even when we subscribe to a starter plan. So do Shopify, Squarespace, and Wix offer a free trial? While Shopify offers a 3-day free trial with no credit card required, Squarespace offers a 14-day free trial without a credit card. Wix, however, provides an unlimited free website builder option with basic options that suit small businesses. So moving on, let's move on to the website builder offers. So all three offer website builder options but come at a cost after the free trial. Only Wix offers an unlimited free website builder option. So while Wix offers 800 customizable templates, Squarespace offers 110 such but fully responsive templates, though Shopify only offers 12 free templates. Regarding responsive design among Shopify, Wix, and Squarespace, Squarespace stands out at the top. Next is let's compare their online stores. So choosing the best e-commerce platform between Shopify, Squarespace, and Wix is vital for the success of your online store. While considering the three, Shopify offers robust e-commerce options such as inventory management, extensive app store, hundreds of payment options, shipping, marketing, and sales options, and more. Wix offers essential to intermediate features for e-commerce businesses that are best for smaller online stores. Squarespace also offers a good list of e-commerce features, but focuses mainly on design, hence it is the best for ventures that prioritize aesthetics. Next is let us proceed with the customer support. While Shopify offers 24/7 email, phone, and live chat support, Wix and Squarespace only provide phone and email support, and their support teams are available for limited hours. If you're torn between the three, consider the customer support hours and responsiveness, especially if your business operates across various time zones. Do they offer live chat support? While Shopify offers 24/7 live chat support, the other two have limited hours for direct communication. Let's move on to the sales and marketing tools. From built-in SEO options to email marketing, social media, Shopify offers various tools for acquiring and retaining customers. You can also use Shopify's blogging CMS to create content that can drive visitors to your online store. So, does Shopify keep email marketing, and what about the other two? Whether it is Wix, Squarespace, or Shopify, they offer excellent email marketing campaign tools. However, Shopify and Squarespace stand out as the better options for email marketing with advanced features like email list segmentation on the basis of customer behavior, integration with third-party email marketing tools, and setting up automated email campaigns. They also offer pre-designed email templates with analytics options for campaign performance tracking requirements. However, consider your specific requirements and budgets while selecting the right platform. Let's move on to the social media options. So when it comes to the social media options, and we talk of Shopify versus Squarespace, Shopify versus Wix, or Shopify versus Squarespace versus Wix, not to our surprise, all three platforms are good at this, allowing the addition of social media buttons and icons in different sections of websites when it comes to Wix and Squarespace, and the product pages, blog pages, and home pages when it comes to Shopify. You can also embed the buy button in social media posts through each platform. Moreover, you can embed the buy button on any website or blog to help customers buy products without leaving the site. All three platforms support all these features. Let's move on to App Store features between the three. So when it comes to the App Store, and we're talking about the three, Shopify is the clear winner, with the App Store having more than 5,000 apps and integration options, and all primarily focusing on e-commerce requirements like shipping, inventory, marketing, and sales. Wix offers an extended range of apps through its App Store. However, the list is limited compared to Shopify's, and the apps primarily focus on website building and designs with few e-commerce specific options. And then for Squarespace, the App Store has fewer apps and integration offers than Wix and Shopify's, but it covers all essential e-commerce features such as payment gateways, inventory management, and shipping. Let us move on to the payment options between the three. So Wix supports payment options like PayPal, Stripe, and Square, whereas Shopify bears more than 100 payment options, including those offered by Wix. It also supports payments through Amazon, Google, and Apple Pay. Squarespace supports payment options like Stripe and PayPal, apart from payment through Apple Pay and Google Pay. However, Shopify allows more currency locations and payment gateways, which are more than 100 in number. However, the main advantage of Shopify is the availability of its own payment method, which the others need to support. Next is credit card payment facilities as provided by the three. So all three are good in this regard, with features like fraud detection, chargeback options, and automatic tax calculations. They all support multiple payment gateways and prime credit cards, including Visa, American Express, and MasterCard. While all are primarily website builders, they support various payment gateways and all major credit cards for payment processing. Let's move on between the user-friendly feature between the three. So all three platforms are user-friendly for the features and functionalities they offer. No one is the clear winner on this behalf, though. As discussed, one supersedes the other in the context of a list of features and functionalities that make them good for certain businesses. Our final choice for each business category has already been mentioned. Next is the drag and drop feature between the three. So Wix offers drag and drop editing features for the website's layout and design. It offers features like text, images, videos, and social media integration. For Shopify, it provides features to enhance the look and feel of the website through various website lists, such as product lists, images, and text. Then Squarespace offers such services for website design through e-commerce functionality, a blogging tool, and social media integrations. Let's move on to the SEO options. So Shopify holds the upper hand with the automatic SML sitemap creation option, accelerated mobile page support for increasing speed, and automatic addition of schema.org markup, which leverages the search engines to understand what your page content means. So right here below is we're going to have a table between Shopify and Wix right here, and of course Squarespace. So for Shopify, it is preferred or ideal for selling products online of all sizes, plans and pricing, paid plans with a free trial, website builder, paid after the free trial, templates. They have 12 free templates, many paid, customizable. Responsiveness is good. Online stores robust with extensive features. Customer support 24/7. Email, phone, live chat. Sales and marketing, built-in SEO, email marketing, social media. and the App Store largest selection with 5,000 app and e-commerce focus, payment options over 100 including Shopify payments, transaction fees lower with Shopify payments, credit cards, Visa, MasterCard, Amex, etc. User-friendly, yes. Drag and drop editor, yes. And SEO options, best XML sitemaps, AMP, schema.org markup. Next is let's proceed to Wix. So Wix is great for starting a business on a budget. It has free plan with paid options. Unlimited free options are available. 800 customizable templates, good responsiveness. It is essential to intermediate features. It has email and phone customer support with limited hours. And for sales and marketing, it has email marketing and social media. For the App Store, wide range and design focus. Payment options, PayPal, Stripe, and Square. And transaction fees, they do. Credit cards, Visa, MasterCard, Amex, etc. User-friendly and drag-drop editor is a yes, and SEO options are limited. While for Squarespace, it is perfect for businesses prioritizing aesthetics and design. It has paid plans with a free trial, and then it is paid after the free trial. And for templates, it has 110 fully responsive templates. The responsiveness is good, and then the website builder is good but design focus. The customer support is email and phone, and also limited hours. Same with Wix. For sales and marketing, they have email marketing, social media as well. And then for the apps, it's a smaller section and it has the e-commerce essentials. For the payment options, they have Stripe, PayPal, Apple Pay, and Google Pay. And they do have transaction fees. For the credit cards, they accept Visa, MasterCard, Amex, and etc. User-friendly and drag-and-drop editor is yes as well. And then the SEO options are limited as well. So below right here are the preference based on needs between the three. So if you're looking for an e-commerce website, Shopify is built for it. For small businesses website or for small businesses, Wix is the best one since it has a user-friendly interface and a variety of free templates with basic options. For blogging websites, Squarespace, due to its support for blogging through categories, tags, social media integration, SEO, comments, and scheduling. For multilingual websites, Shopify. For portfolio website, Squarespace. For non-profit website, Squarespace. For membership website, Wix. For restaurant website, Squarespace. For photography website, Squarespace. And for your personal website, Wix. So in conclusion, Shopify raises e-commerce businesses of all sizes. Squarespace prefers those that focus on aesthetics and design, while Wix supports small businesses by ensuring ease and comfort in creating user-friendly websites with a free website builder option that provides essential features such as companies require. And then after that, that's pretty much it. So yeah, that's pretty much it, the comparison between Shopify, Wix, and Squarespace. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe for more tech tips. That is all.